In this video, I will guide you on how to cancel an Amazon order. First, launch open the Amazon app, or you can open up any web browser and go to amazon.com. Now make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on the account icon over here. From here, find the option of your orders and tap on see all. Now find the order that you want to cancel and open it. If the order has not been shipped or entered the final processing stage, you will see cancel items option. Go ahead and tap on that, then select the item or items you want to cancel. Choose a reason if prompted and then tap on the cancel selected items option. If you don't see the cancel option, the order may already be processing or shipped. In that case, you'll need to wait for it to arrive and then start a return or contact Amazon customer service to see if they can still assist. And that's how you can cancel an Amazon order. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.